We'll guide you through how to start blogging with Wix. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website on your desktop and log into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're in, click on the Create New Site button. You'll be prompted to choose a template. Wix offers a variety of templates specifically designed for blogs, so select one that fits your style and topic. After choosing your template, click Edit. This will open the Wix editor where you can customize your site. Here, you can change text, images, and layout to reflect your personal branding. To add a blog, click on the Add button in the left-hand menu, then select Blog. This will integrate a blog page into your site. Next, click Manage Posts to start writing your first blog entry. In the post editor, you can add your title, write your content, and insert images or videos. Wix also allows you to schedule posts for later, which is handy for keeping a consistent posting schedule. Once you're happy with your post, hit Publish. Before launching your blog, you might want to customize your site settings. Go to Settings and fill out your SEO details to help people find your blog through search engines. Make sure to set up your domain if you want a custom URL, which you can do under the Site tab in your dashboard. Finally, preview your blog to ensure everything looks great on both desktop and mobile views. Once you're satisfied, click Publish Site in the top right corner. Your blog is now live and ready for readers. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.